How to send money from CoinMarketCap to Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever used CoinMarketCap to discover and track your cryptocurrencies, you might be wondering, can I actually send money from CoinMarketCap to my Binance account? In this video, we'll walk you through the process of how to send crypto from CoinMarketCap to Binance, clarify how CoinMarketCap works, and guide you through step-by-step a safe and successful transfer using tools integrated into the platform. Let's dive right in. So the first thing that we have to talk about is CoinMarketCap right here. But of course, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. So let's clarify something important. CoinMarketCap is not a crypto wallet or exchange. It's a price tracking website that provides real-time data on cryptocurrencies, such as market caps, trading volume, and price charts. However, CoinMarketCap has integrated tools that let you buy crypto straight through a third-party service and link with wallets or exchanges like Binance. So technically, you're not sending crypto from CoinMarketCap, but using it to initiate a transfer via connected services. Once again, this tool right here is only used in order to check for price action. For example, let's navigate through Binance right here. We can then notice its performance, the market cap, volume, FTV, max supply, and more. And so, let's proceed by connecting our Binance wallet to CoinMarketCap. If you want to track your holdings or make quick transactions from CoinMarketCap, you then want to connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet or use Wallet Connect. Here's how. First things first, let's navigate through the website of CoinMarketCap, and simply once inside, you then want to click on the wallet options. Now before you do this, you then want to simply sign in your account. And so right after logging in your account, you want to make sure that you have a Binance wallet. From here, you then want to open up the asset or cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. For example, if you want to fund your Binance account with Bitcoin, you can just click on the Bitcoin option right here. And simply once inside, you then want to click on the Buy Bitcoin option or BTC depending on your cryptocurrency. In our case, we are going to use one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world, which is going to be Tether or USDT. So let's just click on the option right here. Simply once inside, once again, you want to navigate through the top of your screen. And from here, you then want to click on the buy button. Now, as of the moment, we only have the KCEX as their main sponsor or as their main option. So you can simply click on this option right here. Basically, CoinMarketCap will show you third-party services like MoonPay, Transact, Simplex, or Binance Pay. If you have Binance Pay available right here, you can just select on it. But in our case, we are then going to basically use KZEX. From here, you then want to make sure that you have logged in your account. And simply once inside this page, this will go ahead and look similar to Binance, so you can just use their supported or third-party services right here in order to transfer your funds through the Binance account. So in my case, my wallet is going to be $0 because I will not go ahead and purchase as for the sake of this video. But if you want to go ahead and transfer the cryptocurrencies right here from your account to Binance, you can just navigate through the website and click on the wallet option. Once you have bought your cryptocurrency, in our case it's going to be USDT, you can just click on the withdraw option. After clicking on withdraw, it will then take us to this page. So you simply have to click on I have read and agreed to the withdrawal risk warning notification or notice. Now inside this page, you can just go ahead and copy your address from Binance. You want to make sure to navigate through your wallet and get the specific wallet address or the cryptocurrency address in order to transfer or funds from this service right here to Binance. So for example, if you're using something like USDT, you want to go ahead and get the USDT addressed or the wallet addressed on your Binance account. If you're using something like Bitcoin, you then want to simply copy the address for Bitcoin. And so in our case, let's just go ahead and paste the address right here. And then you want to simply select your network. In here, we have multiple network, but you then want to choose the network that is applicable for your Binance wallet. Right after, you then want to enter the amount and click on the send button. And so that's how easy it is to basically send crypto from your CoinMarketCap account. Now, once again, there will be options right here, but as of the moment, the only option is the KZEX option. But generally, the process will go ahead and look something like this. First things first, you have to open up your Binance account right here. Go through your wallet and open up the fiat and spot option. Click on deposit and choose the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. Once again, it could be anything, but in this tutorial, we are going to be referring onto USDT. You then want to select the correct network like ERC20, TRC20, BAP20. You want to choose wisely to avoid losing funds. Right after that, once again, copy the deposit address. Go back through the crypto purchasing page on the CoinMarketCap. This is going to be our page right here, which is the KZEX page. Paste your Binance deposit address and confirm your purchase. After a few minutes, your crypto will appear on your Binance wallet. And so, as a safety tip when transferring crypto, you always want to double check the wallet address before confirming a transaction. You want to use the correct network. Sending USDT to ERC or TRC20 address will result in lost funds. You want to start with a small amount if you're just using a new service for the first time. You want to make sure to use reputable providers listed on CoinMarketCap. You don't trust pop-up ads or fake links. So, why do you want to use CoinMarketCap for transfers? Number 1, CoinMarketCap is great for quick comparisons of prices and platforms. You can see live market data, then act fast by clicking on the buy button. For newer users, it's a centralized place to access different purchase options. CoinMarketCap is owned by Binance, so integration is improving. To wrap this up, while you can't directly send money from CoinMarketCap to Binance, you can absolutely use CoinMarketCap as a bridge to purchase crypto and send it to your Binance wallet using trusted services. The process is fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. Once you follow the steps correctly, you will be able to do this easily. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.